Well, you know, John, we have been watching these winds pick up right at 6 o'clock, and they have not stopped since then. This fire, again, happened around 11, and we're continuing to see these winds climb throughout into these early morning hours. Now, here's a look at the latest fire forecast from the National Weather Service that they use with the information from the Ventura County Fire Department. So this is what we can expect for this location. It's a special forecast just for this event. For today, again, we're into Saturday now. We're looking at winds coming from the north over the mountains down towards the ocean between 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting near 45 miles per hour. So this is advisory level winds. Now for tonight, Saturday night, we do look like the winds are going to calm down a little bit. So a little bit more relief heading into Saturday evening. Humidity levels, a very important part because very dry conditions out there, 25% through this morning, but we will dry out till around noon to 15% relative humidity. We have lots of sunshine in the forecast, drying us out. But good news is the winds change direction to go more onshore, which is going to bring more moisture into the area. So we do bump up those relative humidities just a little bit. Now, temperatures for this afternoon are only going to get into the 60s, so staying pretty cool, and then we're going to drop overnight. We do actually, we're watching some freeze advisories and watches going into effect tomorrow, so hopefully we do get some moisture in here. We really need it. Now, I do want to talk about the peak wind gusts. This is over the last 24 hours. We saw 42-mile-per-hour winds reported. Doesn't mean that we haven't been actually having higher wind gusts. We just don't have any official reports in that area. 42 miles per hour as you head up in the mountainous areas, even down towards Ventura and Oxnard. Again, those wind speeds in the 30s. I do want to mention up in Santa Barbara, check this out. We got 51-mile-per-hour winds at the Santa Barbara Wharf, 53 miles per hour in the mountains. That is not that far away from the mountainous areas, and this area is all under the same advisory, so we could see strong winds just like that. We probably already have. Again, we just haven't been able to officially record it. Live Storm Tracker Doppler radar, we usually use this to look at the rain. Not the case today. This is looking at the smoke. Very interesting. Again, that radar picking up on the things in the sky. Look at the last several hours. You see that dark plume, the red, that's that heavy smoke. When more burns, we see more showing up here. So very cool that we can use the tool for rain to show the smoke. Wind advisory, like I said, still on the south coast area. That was going to expire at 3 a.m., which is just in about half an hour. It has been extended through Sunday noon, gusting up to 50 miles per hour possible. Again, we saw gusts 42, so we're not too far away from that. We also are not going to see these winds calm down. I want to show you this futurecast winds, especially the Santa Barbara South Coast area continues into 4:30 a.m., 7:30, still pretty gusty, all the way down towards Oxnard. Again, that's that area we're looking at. What does happen Saturday evening, like I said, we do get a little bit of relief for the Santa Barbara South Coast area with the winds, but Ventura County, you're looking at Santa Ana winds, which could create a problem. Right now, it looks like we'll die down, but again, winds can change very quickly, and this is a very good example. This fire, things change quickly with very strong winds. John, we'll continue to keep you updated on the latest conditions. Back to you.
All right, Claire.